In today's video, I'll teach you how to edit PDF in Canva. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in canva.com, press enter. Or you can also open the Canva application if you want. So if you would like to edit the PDF, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply upload your PDF over here. So click on the upload option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be able to upload the media. Simply click on this option, upload files, that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is go to the desired destination. After that, click on the PDF that you would like to upload and click on this option, open. Now after that, you can see over here the PDF will be uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, it will be displayed in the recent section. So what you have to do is click on that particular PDF. Now you can see over here the PDF will be opened in the new tab. Now you'll be able to edit the PDF. You can select the text, photos, designs, etc. and you'll be able to edit the PDF. For example, if you would like to edit the text, click on the text. After that, it will be selected. Now you can simply go ahead and edit the text over here. Likewise, you'll be able to add the elements, texts, photos, etc. Also, you'll be able to edit the text style. For example, you'll be able to select the text color. You'll be able to bold, italic, underline, etc. Also, you'll be able to select the text size and font over here. Likewise, you'll be able to edit a lot of things in this PDF. So that is how you edit PDF in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.